Hello and welcome to the Crosshands Rider. Yeah, I've just into Pennegross here. I want to head over to Carmel. I could have gone down that road there, but it's rush hour and it's absolutely nuts at the moment. So I'm gonna go through Pennegross and cut up through the little crossroads up here because it's a little bit safer. Yeah, because going that way is a little bit, at this time of day, is a little bit suicidal, quite frankly. It's a little bit crazy. So, right, let's get going here for a minute.
Cycle.
There we go, we're clear. Riding in rush hour is not as much fun, is it? So I'll tell you all about this little trip in a minute. I'm not going that far today, but I'll tell you all about, well, what I'm hoping to do, and whether or not it is successful is another matter. So we're on our way to the Carmel Nature Reserve, which I've been before a few years ago. I did a ride there, but I haven't been back since. So even this side road's busy. It's nuts. Okay. Must admit, I didn't expect so many cars on this road either, but it's better than the main route anyway. So right, I'm put this back on the bike because we've got a bit of a hill to do now, and I need both hands to give me the power needed. And this road is the main road of Llandilo. So I don't think that's the one we want to go to. So no, we're not going to that one. think it might be here. Alright, I gotta let this car go past. Right, what we're gonna do is he needs to go down here, but it's the sign for Llanabia. We're heading here, which is different to how we headed last time I came this way. This is going to be fun. Okay, so we're turning down here now, so just pull over here. So so the last time I came to this place, to the Carmel Nature Reserve place, I didn't go this way. I carried on down the road, and there's another junction, same side, but it's just before you go into it's just about when you enter the 20 or 30 zone. I can't remember which it is, to the main part of the Carmel village. That's the way I went then. I haven't gone this way before, so I'm interested to see what it's like going this way. There's a bit of a hill going down here, and I need both hands to hold on. So I don't know if you can see it over there. Sunlight's probably messing it up a bit, but we're trying to get over there. So that's where we're going to head. And the sun's come out, so that makes things even better. Have you noticed how the sun makes everything better? It's lovely and warm, and look at the sky. Anyway, I don't think we got far to go, just around this corner probably.
Traveling along, listening to this song, the breeze against my skin, it just makes me want to grin. I can't feel.
Carmel National Nature Reserve. I like to revisit because, you know, people may have not watched my original video, and it was done when I had my very basic cheap camera last time, so hopefully this one's going to turn out better. So as you can see, this is the and it's round an old quarry, and you can literally go right around the top. We're not going to be able to go right around everywhere because I've got a bike with me, but we can definitely do a little bit of explore around you before I head off. There are picnic tables by there. So if you want to have a picnic, you can do. Nice little quiet area for a picnic. And then we ride through here. And then you're greeted with an almighty cliff edgy type thing up ahead. Watch the pools of water everywhere. There's a lot of stream water. I'm on a road bike tyres. So it obviously isn't very well suited for this type of thing. But if you want to come somewhere and you're in this area, it's an old leftover building there by the look of it. The best bit of all has to be this. So it's an old limestone quarry. Which goes right round here. Like that. What we're going to do is we can walk actually up and round. Now I have walked this on foot. So we're going to walk up with the bike now. No doubt if you've got a mountain bike you can possibly ride up here. I don't have one of them and I don't have the right tyres for doing this sort of riding, so I'm going to pull it up and walk up it. And yeah, it's a good little explore, isn't it? Something to do of a Monday evening, which is what it is. Now, last time I came here, I didn't come up here, so you've got a bit of extra now. Different experience. When we come out here, I'm going to carry on down the hill and it will take me to Planet B. So we are basically walking on top of that ledge, and yeah, trying to drag the bike one-handed is not working out very well. But it's quite a view, isn't it? I think you can safely say this is a hell of a view. This is my stopping place. Yeah. Oh. Now you can carry on going up and round, and there's another view around the side, not of this, but there's another lovely view over there. I'm stopping here. This is as far as I'm going, because I think this is the ultimately a superb view, which I think it's hard to say anything against that view, really, isn't it? Look at that. It is outstanding. Right, well, I've had a bit of an incident. No, I haven't fallen off anything. I've been having issues with this Hollyland receiver for a while, and the damn thing keeps coming loose from the phone and falling off and losing connection every now and again. I had issues originally, but this time it's actually fallen off. The trouble is, I don't know where, and I've been up and down this path to see if I can figure out where I dropped it. I have absolutely no idea. I've been up and down to the top quite a few times now, about 7 times, and I cannot find it anywhere. So now I know it's been annoying me quite a lot recently, just because it won't stay in the phone. And when you're trying to use your phone for, I don't know, so many different things, because I use it for doing the drone and I use it for mapping. When you take the phone out and in and out and in and out, the thing eventually falls off, and then as I discovered, that's what's happened now. I don't know when I lost it. All I know is it was somewhere up there. It was after the drone flight, and basically I've lost it, and it makes this Hollyland kit useless now unless I get another receiver. And you can't really buy them individually, I don't think. I'll have a look to see if I can get one. But I have been thinking of changing anyway to a different system. And I'll tell you more about that in the future. Because if I end up ordering the other system, I'll give you the lowdown on what that's going to be. Because I want something that doesn't involve me having to keep on using my phone all the time. For exactly that reason. So yeah, it's been successful. Hopefully the drone footage has turned out all right, but on the whole, I've had quite a few issues with this setup. I had a problem when we went to my room, where the phone recorder just decided it was going to pack up recording, and this time I'm having the problem where the receiver has decided just to wander off. Well, it's fallen probably into the greenery somewhere here, and yeah, that's the end of that. And it is such a problematic piece of kit when something just won't stay put. So practically, now don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with a USB-C receiver if you're sat down, or possibly, I wouldn't even say walking, to be honest. Because even walking, you could quite easily lose a receiver if it's just hanging out the bottom of your phone, or hanging on the side of your camera. If it doesn't fit very firmly, you could quite easily lose it. So yeah, it's been a bit of a nightmare, been a bit of a disaster. I can still record using the camera, so I can still do some recordings with this, but this wasn't my planned outing. But we'll make do. So as we leave the lime scale cliffs, you can have a quick look at the stream here. I might have lost my mic receiver, but the show must go on. Although the light's getting a bit dark around here. Right, I need to start heading back as the light is starting to go. So I've been out longer than I planned to, partly because of losing the receiver. But anyway, I'm now going to head round here, and this should take me down to near Llanabia. So that's where we're going to head next. So let's get moving.
The sun is shining. The birds are flying, the air is flowing, right, see, find, explore, see the world cycle, see.
Well, anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, see the world cycle.
Lovely day, Fred.
Oh, it's a lovely view up here, isn't it?
Cycle a bit.
No, God, no, I
I
walked
was gonna
up.
say, bloody hell.
No, I know that's. I haven't got the right tyres. I haven't got the right tyres for that, so.
Can you go down though? A little bit, is it?
Yeah.
Hey, be safe, enjoy yourself.